In the industries, when we use cylinders, there is a major problem is of logistic. Second is the purity, quality, and the safety issues are there. To overcome this problem, we have the solution of on-site nitrogen gas plant, which help the industries with a zero capex, zero investment, no spares, no maintenance. Hello, I am Sunill Ved from Shri Radha Krishna Gases and Gas Plant Leasing Company. We are into on-site nitrogen gas manufacturing from last 16 years, and we are participating in Advantage Maharashtra MASSIA 2026 exhibition. We are demonstrating a 3D model of a gas plant, and I invite you all to please visit us at the Expo.